So our fishing trip got cut short because we had a coil go out on the boat today. And so we're stuck back home. Not done fishing though. We're gonna go down to the great Bosque River.
Bosque.
In Stephenville, Texas. And we're gonna do a quick challenge video. Dave picked this one. We're going 4 lures each. That's all we have. If we snag them and lose them, too bad. It's gonna be a numbers challenge, so whoever gets the most fish wins. Loser has to buy dinner tonight at Peacock's.
Yes.
We never do this. Just decided, spur of the moment, to go try it out. Let's see what we can catch.
Do it.
The little green sunfish. Got him.
Yeah. Massive crappie. Look at that.
That's a good crappie. That's a good one. That's a good crappie.
Beast.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Boom.
Check it out. Crappie. So here's Dave way over there on the bridge. I pulled it out at the last second. Bosque River. Literally caught in the last minute.
I think you cheated.
Go up 2-1. I caught him right there in that hole.
God.
Little crappie.
Don't fall in.
Chicken
Gosh.
dinner. Let's go to Peacock's.
Man.
So that little competition came down to the wire. We didn't have our GoPros going, but you'll see all the fish on the video. Came down to 1 fish to 1 fish. Last minute, I saw a laid down tree and ran out there on the trunk. Luckily I didn't drown, but caught that little crappie right at the end to pull it out. We're gonna go get cleaned up and I'm gonna go get my meal.